Snow drifts. Look at these guys. They're emergency. We're gonna do stuff tonight because the freshmen are going crazy with this snow day.
They are going crazy, but that's where they're gonna go crazy at. So
hey, you gotta stop by Trilogy at some point because they've got tomato soup. You gotta.
Trilogy was canceled.
No, it's not canceled. I sent out an email. Kind of windy. That sucks. Got some nice piles of snow from digging earlier. The winds were supposed to gust up to 55 miles per hour today, so that's like speed limit right there. I'm like talking to myself. Hey, Ray.
Hey. You're making a video for it.
Hey, how's it going? Well, who is this? Who am I talking to?
Mike.
What's your first name again? Johnson? That'd be...
Who?
Johnson. It's a joke.
Oh, I don't get it.
Well, hey, I'll explain it to you someday.
Are you going to get home? Or are you going to have to sleep here in a sleeping bag?
Actually, I'm just going to go sleep in my car. I'm used to that. I've been homeless my whole life. I have no place to live. That's one thing bad about being a janitor. You don't make enough money to live.
You make more money than me. What are you talking about?
Hey, how did you fall and bump your head? That's what we really want to know.
He already knows.
Inquiring minds want to know.
He already knows.
Hey, Brian! Grab one!
Yeah. Maybe later. Hey, Trash. Okay. Go back to the blizzard again. Crazy kids. Oh, there's a wall. This is the wall perpetrator that I actually hit the other day, right here. Some bitch. Oh, looks so nice out. And like, keep in mind that the building is blocking some of the wind. The tree should be shaking a little bit more. Whoops. Yuck. Sucks to be these guys. Ooh, there's a draft coming here. Go figure. There's a draft everywhere. It's kind of a wind tunnel here. Whoa. Nice. Yeah, this is what we would consider a pretty good snowstorm. And that's probably a 5-foot drift right there. You know, with the wind carving these lovely shapes into the snow. I'm not looking forward to digging out my car. Not one bit. It took me a half hour yesterday to dig my car out of a snowdrift from last weekend's storm, and that's nothing compared to this one.
What? Yeah. No school doesn't mean no brains.
He's gone.
Ooh, there it is. Yeah, it's like this kind of thing. Only goes all the way around the inside. It was just one little pile, and then it just kind of grew.
Well, I think you're probably sick of looking at the snow by now. Alright, this is Trilogy in my room, Rambo style. Autumn is eating my cookies, hardcore. It's really dark in here. David is hiding under my...
David's idea. David said, little son of a bitch.
Oh, he walked over a mile in this blizzard just to come to Trilogy.
Trilogy Thursday.
We should add that to the website. David's so serious he walks through a blizzard to get here. Let's check that. That's David's clothes because he bundled up quite a bit. And yeah, it's still pretty crappy out. Apparently it's pure anarchy here with all the little freshmen running around and doing stuff. Spanish. Oh, it's Murdoch. He hates this guy. Awesome. And that's the tomato soup and all the cookies that have been diminished quite a bit. Oh shit, I'm cooking. There we go.
kill.
Here, Autumn, hold the camera.
Leave your family
Oh, save and hold the camera. It's still on.
Do something cold, please. Rambo, you certainly don't know as much about me as I do you.
I rambled out. I covered up my boo-boos with fake blood just so I didn't look so
So I know
ridiculous.
what you and every vet feels now.
So you didn't look so ridiculous?
Uh-oh.
Oh!
It's doing something.
Because otherwise it's too dark in here.
To what, videotape is sitting here?
Yes. This is Jen, and she does not like to be videotaped. I don't know.
This is a cheesy segment just for Rambo.
There's Rambo again. We're going to start the third one a little bit. There's Kristen. Chowing on the tomatoes. You're like Smeagol, like. Okay. Autumn like took off somewhere. I look terrible.
You need it off on Monday? You want me to work?
Ugh, doesn't look any better out. It's a nice 40-foot drift there. Dude, look at that. Nice. Okay, this is about 1:45 in the morning, and you can see how the snow is accumulated to large piles. Some of the RAs are going outside to play in the snow. I think they're crazy. And, oh look! It's pretty nasty out yet. I don't think it's snowing as hard as it was, but we're gonna go sneak up on them, see if they're still digging over there. An EF. Well, apparently we missed the guys digging out the snow, but you can see this nice little tunnel they made over. Oh, that's not cool. And the big snowdrift in the window. Oh, this is wet. Yuck. Going back inside. My camera nasty. So it's kind of a lost cause. It's basically a fire hazard thing. This floor is completely soaked. There's the smoking area. It's got about 4 feet of snow around it, 3-4 feet. There's supposed to be a sidewalk like all the way along here. See how the cars are parked in? Somebody put a nice snowball there. Thanks.